Our partner ecosystem is one of our greatest differentiations.
I see it as the key that opens all the resources to Rockwell, and we utilize that very, very well.
We're dealing from a position of strength. Almost every major manufacturer uses Rockwell.
Much of the industry views Rockwell as the automation leader. So when we can marry and synergize our two organizations, we're presenting to a customer base a best-in-class solution.
So Rockwell and Microsoft are co-innovating in developing manufacturing solutions focused on edge to cloud.
We really value our Rockwell technology partner relationship and make sure that we're delivering a product that adds value and increases the ROI that customers have made on their Rockwell automation infrastructure.
Having those local distributors or other system integrators that might be boots on the ground, when we put in a solution that's following Rockwell best practices, the customer ends up having the best benefit out of that.
We're helping our manufacturing customers digitize, streamline, and secure their entire manufacturing infrastructure, whether it's on-premise, or it's in the cloud, or it's a hybrid.
We have an end-to-end industrial-grade solution, from device to data to done.
Our biggest strength is delivering outcome-based solutions. So we don't focus on just receiving a specification and building a solution to meet that specification. We work with our customers to understand their challenges, identify an outcome that can help them solve a business problem, and then delivering solutions to achieve that outcome.
Rockwell has really revolutionized how they're training their partners, their customers, their own people, and we feel like this is a vital way to invest in our technical staff and also prove to our customers our expertise with Rockwell technologies.
Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for your interest, your curiosity, and thank you for being on the journey with us and helping our customers take that journey as well. We are better together.